Students, see the question. In figure, A, B and C are points on OP, OQ and OR respectively, such that AB is parallel to PQ and AC parallel to PR. Show that BC parallel to QR. आपको यहाँ पर BC parallel to QR दिखानी है when AB is parallel to PQ and AC is parallel to PR. ये given है. So given, right? AB is parallel PQ and AC parallel PR. To prove BC parallel to QR, construction join BC. यहाँ पर BC को ज्वाइन कर लीजिए क्योंकि ये लाइन आपको नहीं दी हुई है. Now prove triangle OPQ. In triangle OPQ में अगर आप देखें AB is parallel to PQ, so I can write therefore OA upon AP is equal to OB upon PQ. This is first equation and reason by Thayer's theorem. Now and in triangle OPR, AC is parallel to the PR, so I can write OA upon AP is equal to OC upon CR. This is equation number 2. Again reason Thayer's theorem. From equation 1 and 2 we can write OB upon BQ is equal to OC upon CR. ये लिख सकते हैं. Therefore in triangle OQR, B and C are point dividing the side OQ and OR in the same ratio. Same ratio में divide कर रही है ये B and C जो point है. Therefore by the converse of Thayer's theorem I can write BC is parallel to QR. क्योंकि अगर कोई लाइन सेम रेशियो में डिवाइड करती है किसी ट्रायंगल की लाइंस को तो वो थर्ड लाइन के पैरेलल होती है. यही कन्वर्स था थेल्स थ्योरम का. नाउ मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.